Science sensory time, yay! This is what we're gonna make today. Okay, so now we're ready to do our moon sand. And I have my flour was pre-measured, and I put it in my bowl. And now I have to measure a half a cup of oil. The consistency we have today is 2 cups to a 1/4 of a cup of oil. Is what they had. So when you add your oil to your flour and you mix it, you just mix. I tried to put food coloring in it. That didn't work very good. So we just kept it this color, and then before long, as you mix it, see, it starts to look like kinetic sand. First batch I made, I did like 2 weeks ago. So, and I've just kept it in the Ziploc bag. But it's very soothing. Moms, you might like this too. While the kids are gone, asleep, you can sit there and play in it yourself and have fun.